Imagine an invisible silent threat, an odorless gas that can fill your home without you ever knowing it is there. This unseen danger is carbon monoxide, and it poses a serious risk to everyone, especially those with lung conditions like chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Knowing how to protect yourself is not just smart, it is essential. You should check your home's carbon monoxide alarms monthly and replace them every 5 to 7 years, depending on the manufacturer's recommendations. This regular maintenance schedule helps ensure your alarms are always ready to detect this dangerous gas, providing a critical early warning for your safety and peace of mind. The reason for this vigilance lies in the nature of carbon monoxide itself. It is produced when fuels like gas, oil, or wood burn incompletely, and it displaces oxygen in your blood. For individuals with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease who already have compromised lung function, even low levels of carbon monoxide can be particularly dangerous. Regular checks confirm that the alarm sensor and battery are functioning correctly, providing reliable protection against a threat you cannot see, smell, or taste. To perform these checks, simply press the test button on each carbon monoxide alarm. You should hear a loud audible signal. If you do not hear it, replace the batteries immediately and test again. If it still fails, the unit likely needs to be replaced entirely. It is also a good practice to clean the alarm's vents periodically with a soft brush or vacuum attachment to prevent dust from obstructing the sensor. Remember to mark the installation date on the back of each unit, so you know when replacement is due. An interesting fact is that carbon monoxide alarms have a limited lifespan because their internal electrochemical sensors degrade over time. Unlike smoke alarms that often relying on photoelectric or ionization chambers, carbon monoxide detectors specifically measure the concentration of the gas, making their sensors highly specialized but also susceptible to wear. This is why paying attention to the replacement date, often printed on the back of the unit, is just as crucial as monthly testing. By incorporating these simple, consistent checks into your home maintenance routine, you are taking proactive steps to safeguard your health and the health of your loved ones. This small effort provides a vital layer of protection against a serious indoor pollutant, allowing you to breathe easier and enjoy a healthier home environment, especially important when managing chronic obstructive pulmonary disease.